Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix network connection error in Squid Game Unleashed. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're having problems with Squid Game Unleashed here and you're getting that network connection error, well in this case there is something you need to know here and you need to do in order for you to solve this issue. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you have the latest version for Squid Games. So in this case, you want to open up Google Play Store here if you install this on your Android device. You want to look for Squid Game Unleashed and you want to go ahead and install any update if you do see any button here that says update. Now once the update is complete, go ahead and open up Squid Games here and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you could do here is basically just try restarting your phone. Now, sometimes your phone might be the problem itself, so restarting the actual phone can solve a lot of issues, especially if you are using your phone straight for a whole week, not restarting it. Well, in this case, again, this will help you a lot. Now, if that does solve the issue, the next thing that you want to do is you want to check your internet connectivity, so whatever network you're using. So depending on what network you are using, you may get a poor signal, especially if you're using mobile data, because usually mobile data can be slow. So in this case, try switching to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that solves the issue. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, try using mobile data here. It's a vice versa thing. So try either ways here and see if any of those actually solve your issue. Now, another thing that you could do here is to clear a few things. So you want to look for Squid Games Unleashed here, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon next to the trash can icon here. You want to click on clear data at the bottom right of the screen, click on clear cache, and click on OK. Now remember, just clear your cache, not all data, so clear cache. Now once you've done that, go ahead and exit this and see if that solves the issue for Squid Game Unleashed. Now another thing you could do here is you could go ahead and go to battery saver and try using the option here that says no restrictions. So in this case, this removes battery saver here and doesn't give any restrictions on the app's activity, and hopefully that would solve any connectivity issues you're having on the game. Now, another thing or the last thing that you could do here for Squid Game Unleashed to uninstall and install the game again. Sometimes the installed game or the game files that you have right now might be the problem itself. So typically speaking, you just need to again go and click on the eye icon, click on the uninstall button to see at the very bottom here, and basically proceed with the uninstallation. Now you could also press and hold on it and drag it into the trash can icon at the top right, but depending on your phone, trash can icon might be located on a different location. But yeah, so uninstall it, reinstall it again, and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.